LODE stock tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Comstock is sitting at 67 cents, 9% down. Where the heck are we heading next? First thing I have to mention is this is such a bullish chart to me. I mean, overall, so just looking at it, like I saw this crazy increase in price, right? As like this, we're kind of like doubling down, like just retracing a little bit. If I see that double break here, bro, I'm longing the crap out of this. Like even before here, I called things out. But yeah, this is really what I want to see. If I see this double break, then and only then I'll continue to long. I mean, obviously, like I've done 34,000 videos, all this, but if my rules are not met, then I'm not going to continue with my strategy, because that's the whole point of having an edge, right? And I'm really curious to see if I have anything here. Not really, but that's fine. So that's how LODE looks like for me. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.